Building on their already successful solar chronograph lineup, also known as the Speedtimers, Seiko has released this fifth installment of the series that features a two-tone bracelet and a cool blue watch face. The Seiko Prospex Solar Chronograph SSC909P limited edition uses a classic chronograph dial layout that you've probably seen from other watch models such as the Rolex Daytona. But fear not, because this watch isn't as pricey as its Swiss counterpart. However, you do get to enjoy Seiko's upmarket finishes and build quality, with a solid stainless steel one-touch three-fold clasp and a smooth bracelet. Because of these premium editions, it weighs in at 160 grams, so by no means is it a light watch. To truly appreciate the build quality, gotta get this one in your hands. So this is the only installment of the Seiko Speedtimers that includes a two-tone bracelet. This middle part of the bracelet isn't completely black as it may appear. It's more of a deep grey tone. This same color is repeated on the bezel and on the three chronograph dials, which are actually the solar cells. Going over some of the specs, the solar battery has a 6-month power reserve and is accurate to plus or minus 15 seconds a month. Case size is 39mm across, 13.3mm thick, and 45.5mm lug to lug. A sapphire glass tops out the case with a very slight protrusion from the bezel. Okay, so this particular watch is a limited edition with 10,000 produced, meaning it won't be lasting on our shelves forever, so get in quick if you like the look of this one. Overall, the Seiko Speedtimer models have been a huge hit among fans, and the SSC909P is no exception. If you want to pick one up, click the link in the description to check it out online at watchdepot.com.au. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more watch videos. Thank you for watching.